Ever eat a meal, feel full for a little while, then get tired, hungry, foggy, or start looking for something sweet? Comment one word: rice, bread, pasta, or dessert. What gives you the worst crash? When people say sugar crash, they don't always mean a medical event. Most of the time, they mean the meal moved too fast and didn't have enough structure to keep them satisfied. That's why we made this free PDF. Not to scare you away from food or make carbs the enemy, but to explain how meals can be rebuilt my way. The problem is not comfort food. The problem is when starch carries the whole plate. My way keeps the familiar food, but changes the structure. First, give the meal a protein anchor like chicken, turkey, eggs, or lentils. Protein helps the meal feel more complete and keeps you full longer. Then add fiber and vegetables. Think beans, cabbage, greens, or mushrooms. These foods help the meal slow down and last longer. This is not fear of carbohydrates. It is better carbohydrate structure. Smaller portions, more fiber, and more food that works together. Flavor still matters. Garlic, lemon, vinegar, and spices make food taste good without relying on sugar-heavy sauces. The PDF gives real examples: rice bowls, sweet breakfasts, and stews. We do not remove the food people love. We rebuild it. Food is powerful, but I won't exaggerate it. One recipe won't fix everything, but building better patterns definitely matters for your health. The line I use is simple: belly fat goes away slowly when there are no sugar crashes. It's a reminder that better patterns matter every day. This PDF is the anchor for the Sugar Crash Comfort Food Pack. Every recipe uses the same idea: protein, fiber, vegetables, and better carbs. The PDF also includes clickable sources and a free 3-day meal planner. Reuse it, shuffle it, and build real meals that fit your life. Find the free PDF, recipes, and meal planner at eatwellwithcharlie.com. And tell me, when do sugar crashes hit you hardest?